Welcome to the 5-minute quick core routine. We'll begin on our backs in Supta Baddha Konasana. So bring the soles of your feet together, knees falling open. Rest your hands on your belly and completely relax as you breathe in and out through your nose. Pull your navel in towards your spine and draw your knees together. Then pull your knees into your chest for a full wind pose. Just hold on to your shins or your thighs and feel your lower back flatten out on the mat. Flex the muscles in your lower belly, drawing your navel in to maintain this flat back on the mat. Then keep your right knee in and extend your left leg long to hover just inches above the mat. If at any point your lower back starts to lift up and it's no longer flat on the mat, then you need to modify by lifting your leg up a little higher, even up to the ceiling counts. It's so important that you do not strain, but instead focus on strength. So draw your left knee in and extend your right leg long. Find a similar variation or modification that you took on the other side. Your back is flat on the mat, shoulders are relaxed, and your right leg is strong and long. With your Ujjayi breath turned on, the muscles in your face and your shoulders relaxed, draw your right knee back in. And let's alternate. Inhale, reach your left leg long. Exhale, pull it back in. Inhale, reach your right leg long. Exhale, pull it back in. Inhale, left leg. Exhale to center. Inhale, right leg. Exhale to center, and keep it going. Follow the pace of your breath so your movements are smooth, fluid, and mindful. Your lower back stays flat on the mat the entire time. Your core is working. Feel the fire. And if you wanted to add on, maybe you've done this a couple of times before, try lifting your head and shoulders off the mat, even lifting the very tips of your shoulder blades up off the mat. You're not crunching forward, just lifting up as you alternate legs. And you're here for 3, 2, 1. Long body stretch. Stretch it out, toe tips to fingertips. Well done. Now that you can feel your core, I want you to keep it engaged and strong throughout the rest of this class today. So pull your knees into your chest. Begin to rock and roll the length of your spine front and back, gaining momentum as you do so you can eventually roll over your ankles, plant your hands, and step or shoot your feet back. Find high plank. So let's set up high plank, starting with our hands. Fingers are fanned out wide. Grip into your mat using your entire hand and the pads of your fingers. Once your hands are strong, then your wrists are engaged and properly protected. Make sure your joints are stacked, shoulders over elbows over wrists, and then lift out of your shoulders. Neck is in line with the spine. Everything is puffing up towards the ceiling. It's you pushing against gravity that will make you stronger. Now take a break. Take a seat on your knees and heels, shake out your hands, big breath in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Come back to your plank, and right away, set up proper engagement for your strongest plank every time. For Chaturanga, high plank to low plank, first, shift your weight forward 2 inches. Bend your elbows back as you lower your chest down, neck is still in line with the spine. Stop when your elbows graze your ribs, so pinch your elbows into your sides. For upward facing dog, lift up through your heart, heel your legs up off the mat, inhale. Exhale to send it back, downward facing dog. Reach your hips high and back, pedal out your legs, and feel free to take a seat once more and shake out your hands if you need to. And that's it. Have a good day.
Well done, Yogi. If you like that practice, you're going to love what's inside the SarahBethYoga membership and app, and I have a very special offer for you. Thousands of yogis just like you have joined the SBY community to get fitter, happier, and healthier. When you join the SarahBethYoga membership and app, you'll get access to me, our private SBY community, and the exclusive members-only SarahBethYoga app with the entire SarahBethYoga library, including hundreds of members-only videos, classes, and calendars. Like the Yoga Pose Breakdown series with in-depth, multi-angle breakdowns of the most common yoga poses so that you can strengthen your yoga practice. And the Yoga Tips series, where I answer your most frequently asked questions, address what's most important and what really doesn't matter. And the 10-day Tone Yoga program with just 10 minutes of power yoga videos a day to help you get fit, strong, and healthy fast. You'll also get access to the SBY community with thousands of like-minded yogis just like you from all across the world. This is the place where you can ask questions, get advice, get feedback directly from me and all the yogis just like you. On top of all of that, as a SarahBethYoga member, you also get exclusive giveaways, major discounts on yoga products that I use and love and that I've produced myself, and also pre-access to future SBY events. And right now, you can join the SarahBethYoga membership and app with a very special offer below. Just click the link below this video and join the SBY community to get fit, happy, and healthy through yoga. See you there.